Hello everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. We are on part 5 for STF for August 2023 for Patreon. For D&D prints, Warhammer proxy, wargaming tables, and also figures as well. If there's a particular Patreon you guys may look at, please let me know down in the comments below. If you like any of them, please just let me know. So we are doing figures. Enemy figures right now is E.S Monsters. And we are going to get Motoko from Ghost in the Shell. So this is a very sexy version of it. You go see the whole little body of it looks like that as well. And there's one more, and we have Cammy in a swimsuit as well. So yeah, they are very good prints. Just letting you know. I think there's nude ones in there too, and I think we're also getting Chun-Li as well in swimsuit. Not the 50-year-old Chun-Li, but the younger version of the 50-year-old Chun-Li. But yeah, I do like it. I do want it. Don't know if I'm gonna paint it. But yeah. Oh, we have another August reward. Is Cammy August too? Yes, August. Makoto. I think Makoto's probably not for this month. We have Monica from League of Legends, I believe, as well. Without fat ass. Without fat ass. You already got that. Okay, next is Flesh of God. Another dark D&D type miniatures as well for your game. If you like Dark Souls, Elden Ring style gaming, this is probably one of the good ones you can do. Let's see, a Stormforge Heaven. And we have, see, the Skywatcher, Elf Ranger, Fire Wizard. We have Helzard Shield, let's see, a Dwarf Fighter, a Birdfolk Knight, a Kokoro Gunner, the Storm Human Barbarian, Half Giant Barbarian. You can probably do a half orc with that too. It kind of look like a half orc. Goliaths, I think, are type of a half giant, in my opinion. But we got our large enemies: Frostwhite, Grimner, Raven Lord. See here, Yak Folk Warrior, Bugbear Wrecker, Forvos Primal, Bugbear Wrecker 2, Storm Elemental, and a Frost White. And the huge, we have this here, Frost Giant, Storm Giant, and a Stone Giant. This doesn't not look like a Frost Giant to me, but they're more like, define. And well, this is their version of what they think they look like. So we have a huge blue dragon. That looks actually pretty good to print. And your NPCs as well. And we got your bust and your throwbacks. I want the butcher. That butcher looks awesome. I do want that butcher. And your story and your welcome pack as well, and your all-star. Next is Great Grimoire, another D&D minis as well, usually towards like fairy tales type. So we have the Serpent Folk Yantees. That looks actually pretty cool. Kind of creepy with a whole bunch of heads. And that crocodile looks like from the Donkey Kong Country. How it looks like it. There's a Serpent Folk Shaman. Looks like a crocodile. New price $9. Find us tribe. Okay. I gotta figure out about this damn tribe and everything else. But we have Hypnotic Blooms. So we have flower type monsters. I forgot what that creature's called. Oh my god! Don't ever shoot lightning on it. It will freaking generate, and it does a lot of damage. These ones, I have to look at it. I think this is a corpse flower right here. I think that's what this is, a corpse flower. But yeah. Next one is Arcane Minis. They're doing, I think, like a circus type aircraft, I believe. So you have a circus ship, and it's ridiculously huge. So yeah, you can go in and everything else. Just printing it and putting it somewhere is a different story for it. And we have our ringmasters and the beast for it as well. I think that's it for that. But yeah, what we got so far for that. Mammoth Factory, another D&D mini, also a good one as well. Let's see what we got so far. Court of the Sunless King. Let's get them a little bit bigger because it's hard to see. So we have Worm of the Deep. So basically a purple worm, a Dreadlord, Rune Reaver. I think these are vampires. Yeah, Worm Spawn. Yeah, vampires. So you have another vampire thing. Delphar Assassins, and Drows. We're getting Drows as well. I think it's a half Drow. This is not bad. Not, you can have more Drows and also have more vampires. As long as they're like different for different campaign that you can use it for, I think that's a pretty good deal for that as well. But this is what we got so far. But I actually have the speed paint for Drow skin now, so it doesn't look like a blackface damn miniature. So yeah, so this would be very interesting. I have some Drows in the garage, but I gotta finish all these ones that I have. So next one, Melon Love figures. If you like anime figures and looty stuff, this is probably it for you as well. I don't know what we have for term 23. So this is going to be term 23. So I have Lulu, Isabel, Ahsoka, Magdalene, Sailor Neptune, Princess Peach, Nurse Joy, Ari, Yami, Prince of Persia as well, Roberta, Ember, and Froppy. So it looks like it hasn't made 23 official yet. So, yeah. You also shrink them down to play some minis as well. That's what I'm going to do with a lot of these. Titan Forge miniatures. These are also war tabletop, but also I use a lot of these for D&D for it. So I think we're doing Chaos Dwarves. No, they look like Chaos Dwarves from the old school ones. So yeah, Chaos Dwarves. From Warhammer Fantasies. I don't think they brought them back yet for Age of Sigmar yet, but these are pretty like sought out for because no one can actually, because they're ridiculously expensive to buy. To tell you the truth, and we have the Night Goblins, the I forget what they're called, the Goblins from Age of Sigmar as well, and Fantasies. So these will be pretty cool to have. Got some demons, some fire elementals. Got a Cobalt, Satyr, and a Thiefling. Also used them for D&D as well. So there's nothing wrong with that. And bases are good. Terrains are good. So yeah. I think this will be the last one for the video. White Wolf Tavern. I don't know what we're having. I think we'll have to watch a video for it because they don't like to put pictures out for a lot of times, unless you buy the Patreon. So Laura Lightning Rod. And so kind of sorcerer, I guess, or a druid. Big beast. A bloody bit bat. 2 core. So I think these are like druids. Mostly for like druids that's in the game, or barbarian set. Yeah, barbarian warlord set. So you have looks like a big barbarian set. So these are be like ogres. And you have your beast. I should make a barbarian, paint some barbarians. as well as some Vikings. So that's White Wolf Tavern. I hope you guys do enjoy. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our links down below. Everything is being updated slowly. We'll soon have an intro video coming up. Hopefully by the end of this month. I still have a lot to do, and I still have a lot of stuff to paint. Well, anyhow, let me know what you guys think of the Patreon. Leave down in the comments. I'll talk to you later. Have a great day, guys. Bye.